Oh gee, I'm not having much luck. Just spied a beautiful bird on the branch and got the camera out. What do you reckon happened? As soon as I pressed record, flew straight off. And now this wallaby was like, what, 2-3 meters away from me here. We both stopped, we saw each other and both froze. So I've got the camera, turned it on, boom. Literally a second before I pressed record, he stomped off into under these brushes here. It's so typical. You didn't go far though. You're close by somewhere here. Yeah. I don't know. What is it about wildlife? They don't cooperate. It's like they're wild or something. Do what they want. Beautiful morning though. Wow. Really, just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just testing out a new camera. Well, new to me. It's a Canon. Not sure what sort, but it's a Powershot. Just bought it for me because my other one has just given up the ghost, and I'm loving it. I'm a simple man. I'm a simple man. Point and shoot. Right? That's about the extent of my camera literacy. Whereas Ju, it just gets totally into it all, and incredible details that are just beyond my ability to comprehend or actually even care about, frankly. I just like to have something that is functional and practical. But this is great. I'm enjoying it so far, and the zoom's awesome. A few of our duck friends. And the focus is, the autofocus is great. So all I have to really find out now is, I just recorded a song with it, and now talking into it for the first time, so I'm just going to see how that worked out, and whether me playing with the zoom as I'm talking adjusts anything, or just things like that. But it's great so far. I'm loving it. And what a morning. Did I just say that? Look at it. It is Sunday the 21st of December 2025, and we're just here at the end of the Dave Burrows walk, just going to go around to the Margate Public Jetty, just on the point there. Looking at maybe sort of cloud increasing through the day, and the likelihood of late showers before a couple of days of sort of cooler temperatures and overcast. So really yesterday and today we want to make, it was this morning especially, we want to make the most of this beautiful weather. It's glorious. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you on the trail. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye blues. I mix my joy and sorrow, living as I choose. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye blues. I ain't got nothing to lose, so I just roll along, having my ups, having my downs, having my ups and downs all day long. If it's a love affair, maybe it's hot, maybe it's cold. Whether it's hot or cold, I don't care. When my sweetie turns me down, that don't worry me, 'cause I just roll along, having my ups, having my downs, having my ups and downs all day long. Right. Girlfriends, boyfriends, old and new, may go away and leave me, that won't make me blue. Brothers, sisters, sweeties too, my gloomy days are mighty few, 'cause I just roll along, having my ups, having my downs, having my ups and downs all day long. If it's a love affair, maybe it's hot, maybe it's cold, maybe it's hot or cold, well I don't care. When my sweetie turns me down, that won't bother me, 'cause I just roll along, having my ups, having my downs, having my ups and downs all day long.